In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Thread. Thread is a new app from Instagram for text-based conversation. This is an Instagram direct competitor to Twitter, which is developed by Meta. With Thread, you can view feed of everything that's going on with your friends or people you may be interested in. You can also post your own message, post text, photos, and also videos. You can also reply or even like messages. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Thread. Let's check this out. To get Thread, head to thread.net. This will land you on an interface like this. Depending on which operating system you are using, if you are an iOS user, you could proceed to click on this icon, but in my case, I'm an Android user, so I'll proceed to click on this Android icon. So this will automatically bring you to your Google Play Store, where you can proceed to install it if this is your first time. You can also open your Play Store or App Store. In the search engine, type Threads from Instagram. Then make sure to pick the one with this best match. The first result to appear in the search engine, proceed to click on it. So this will land you on an interface like this, which is similar to the first one. So depending on which one is easier for you, just feel free to use it. So in our case, we've already installed it, so we are going to proceed to open. So when you open it for the first time, an interface like this will appear. So one caveat to call out is to be able to use Thread, you need an Instagram account. And the reason why is they share the same username, and the benefit of that is you already have an established network that will carry over onto Threads. So once on this interface, you could be able to switch between accounts. So in our case, let's proceed to select trendy design. So this is an account which is already on Instagram that we are going to use it on Threads. You will see on this interface the name has already been imported, so we have the option to either enter our bio or link, or we can even directly import from Instagram. So in our case, we are going to proceed to click on import from Instagram. This is going to take some time to import everything. After importation, you could see our bio has been automatically filled, and if we have any other external link that we've already inserted in our Instagram account, that will also be imported here. So after everything, we can then proceed to click on continue. Under privacy, we have the option to either make our account public or private. In our case, we want to make it public, so we proceed to click on continue. We have been given the option to follow the same account we follow on Instagram. So in our case, we are going to proceed to click on follow all. This basically shows us how Thread works. As you can see, Thread is part of Instagram platform, so feel free to read for more info if you so desire. But in our case, we've already read it, so we can proceed to click on join Thread. You have to wait for a moment for the app to finish loading, and after that you can restart it. Congratulations, you are now in Thread. The app drops you in the main home feed. You can see that in the bottom left corner. This is your home feed that shows you content from people that you follow and also people you may be interested in. You can see it is made up of text, pictures, and also videos in your feed. And the action that could be taken on any of this thread is typical of any other social network. Right here, you could like, reply, or repost to all your followers. Here you could repost or you could quote the message. You can also click on this share icon. So this will give you an option to either add to your story, or you could even share it to Twitter, or you could copy the link or share it via other social networks. So let's say I'm interested to search for a new account. I will proceed to click on this search icon. So we have an option to follow directly a suggested account, or we can even enter our desired account that we want to search for. So in our case, let's follow this account, which is with Khalifa. I'll proceed to click on follow. Maybe if you want to proceed to see much more of this account information, we can click on it. Right on the top, I could see all the information of this account. When I scroll down a bit, here I can see threads and reply. The thread view contain all the different threads that he has already initiated or reposted. Right up on top, I could also see reply. So when I click it, this includes messages or threads that others have started that he also replied to. To make sure I never miss any of this information, I can proceed to click on this bell icon on the top right corner. This will make sure that anytime this said account make a post, I will be notified to come and see it. So let's say later if you have a change of mind, you can navigate back to this menu and make sure you turn off this bell notification. After going through all this, let me now compose my own thread. So I'll proceed to click on this icon. So I can type a text which is maximum 5 500 characters. I can also add a media file to it by click on this media file icon. If this is your first time, you will be prompted to allow Thread to access photos, media and files on your device, so make sure you allow it. After that, proceed to click on your desired photo, then click on done. Of course, if you want to add additional thread, you can just click on this add to thread and you can compose another new thread, as many as you want. So once we are satisfied with this text in the media file, we have the option to change our visibility by clicking on anyone can reply. So this gives you an option to select who can reply to your thread, whether you want it to go public so that anyone can reply, or only profile that you follow or people that you mention only. So in our case, we want to make it anyone. After that, you can proceed to click on post. After composing your text, you can proceed to click on this heart icon. This will bring you on an interface like this where you see all your activities. So you can see the accounts that want to follow you. Upon request, you can proceed to click on confirm, or you can also see the replies and mentions. On the bottom extreme right, you could see your profile icon, so you can proceed to click on it. So this has landed you on your profile icon. You will see the threads that we have just made. If you want to edit your profile, you can proceed to click on this edit profile, or you can even share your profile. On the top left corner, you see this globe icon. When you click on it, this brings you to the privacy of your account. Let's navigate back. On the top right corner, we see the Instagram logo. So when you click on this will automatically opens the Instagram version of your thread, which is an image based. And on the far extreme right, you could see also this logo. So when you click on it, this will land you on the settings, so you can proceed to tweak these settings if you so desired. In the event later you want to log out of threads, you can proceed to click on this logout. Let me know what you think of this new app. Do you see yourself using this app moving forward? At least for me personally, it seems like a really solid app. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.